Oops. You weren't expecting that, were you? Hey?
Come on then. And what have I got in this magic box? Are you ready? Da, da, da. That's your lot.
This is an old fridge that we're using as a fermenting chamber. Now, this is just going through its resting period as this beer here. And what we've done is fitted a thermostat in there so we can set the temperature. We also have a bulb for an heating element, and also two little computer fans to circulate the air. The fans are driven by a mobile phone charger there, but the thermostat runs in through there. And we have the old beer pump, and very shortly I'm going to siphon this off into my pressure barrel, and then within a week we should be ready to go.
I am his assistant.